Oh, yeah, once again, I'm going to talk about these repair manuals. Haynes repair manuals. This is the new one I got today. It's 1969 through 1990. Oh, let me put some light on the subject right quick. Might not be really clear enough for you. Let's go back over here and check it out. Like I said, Haynes repair manuals are Chevy full-size models 1969 through 1990. Some of the stuff I can go right in and find. This is my new book. This is my old book. I've been using this for my Caprice, which is a 94, but they have the Caprice, the SS, Impala, and the Buick Roadmaster, 91 through 96. Haynes repair manuals, man. Look, if you see one and you might think it may cost too much, think about what you do on a daily basis and what you may need to repair your vehicle. Some of this stuff, like I said, works out for you just fine. Me, I probably paid about $13 for this Haynes repair manual off of Amazon. This one, I believe, I picked up some years ago from AutoZone or one of these other auto retailers that I have, but they come in real handy as far as tune-ups, brakes, little minor jobs that you want to do, major jobs, engine overhauls. A lot of people don't deal with the LT1s anymore, the 350s. Everybody are doing LSs, but like I said, Haynes repair manuals, they come in really handy.